Hi there! In today's video, we will showcase the top 5 best tile spacer leveling kits you can buy this year. Let's start. DGSL TLS01 Tile Leveling System. The DGSL Tile Leveling System is a professional-grade tool designed for efficient and precise tile installation. With 300 disposable clips and 100 reusable wedges, this set ensures flatness between tiles, preventing movements during mortar setting. It's suitable for tiles ranging from 1/8 inch up to 1/2 inch thick, making it versatile for various tile projects. The system helps both DIY enthusiasts and professional tile layers achieve a perfect, lippage-free finish, increasing efficiency and accuracy. The included tile plier facilitates quick and easy installation, ensuring tiles are properly aligned and securely positioned. Ideal for floor and wall setting, this tile leveling system is a must-have tool for achieving professional results. FLEETISE Tile Leveling System. The FLEETISE Tile Leveling System offers an upgraded solution for precise and efficient tile installation. Featuring 100 tile levelers, 500 tile spacers, and 2 special wrenches. This kit provides everything needed for professional quality results. The T-needles, made of manganese steel, offer superior hardness and durability compared to traditional materials, ensuring a secure and stable tile installation. The system's taper thread design prevents jamming during use, enhancing work efficiency. With a range of 2 mm to 6 mm, the tile spacers allow for flexible grout joint sizes, accommodating various project requirements. Easy to use and suitable for DIY operations, FLEETISE tile levelers ensure tiles remain balanced and securely positioned during curing, resulting in a flawless finish. Backed by a 360-day money-back guarantee, this system offers peace of mind and confidence in its quality and performance. PEYGRAN Tile Leveling System. The PEYGRAN Tile Leveling System provides a comprehensive solution for professional tile installation, including 400 clips, 200 wedges, and a durable bucket. This kit offers convenience and efficiency for various tiling projects. Manufactured by Industrious PEYGRAN, a trusted name in the industry, this system ensures precise alignment and flatness between tiles, resulting in a flawless finish. With a spacer size of 1/16 inch, it's suitable for achieving tight grout joints and minimizing lippage. The included pliers and tool facilitate easy installation and adjustment, making the tiling process more efficient and manageable. Whether used for floor or wall tiling, the PEYGRAN Tile Leveling System Super Kit delivers professional quality results, making it a valuable addition to any tile installer's toolkit. Spin Doctor SD116 Tile Leveling System. The Spin Doctor Tile Leveling System presents a top-tier solution for attaining flawlessly even and precisely aligned tile installations. Designed for 1/16 inch gaps, this system comes in a box of 250 pieces, providing ample coverage for various tiling projects. The patented free spin design allows the cap to effortlessly spin down the spacer screw, enabling installers to tighten the cap with just one hand. This feature is particularly beneficial when working with large format tiles, ensuring optimal control and efficiency during installation. The system's white spacer posts are compatible with Spin Doctor red caps, sold separately, which are reusable for multiple jobs. Additionally, optional clear view shields are available separately for added versatility. Ideal for preventing uneven tiles, especially on floors, the Spin Doctor Tile Leveling System delivers professional quality results with ease. RTC LEV-TEC Tile Leveling System. Wrapping up our list, we have the RTC LEV-TEC Tile Leveling System, which provides a modern and efficient solution for achieving flawless tiling projects. Designed for 1/16 inch spacer clips, this system comes in a box of 500 pieces, providing ample coverage for large-scale installations. The interlocking design ensures that tiles remain securely in place until the adhesive dries, eliminating the effects of glue shrinkage, gravity, and substrate imperfections. This results in a desired finish for both floor and wall projects. The LEV-TEC spacer clips are compatible with LEV-TEC wedge and installation pliers, sold separately, facilitating easy and precise installation. Made of durable plastic, this system is built to last and withstand the rigors of professional tiling applications. Backed by RTC's reputation for quality and reliability, the LEV-TEC Tile Leveling System is a must-have tool for achieving flawless tiling results. We hope you've enjoyed our video on the best tile spacer leveling kits. Thanks for watching.